What's up, future billionaires? Did you know that the average millionaire reads one book per month? Meanwhile, the average person spends more time reading restaurant menus than reading books. But don't worry, I've done the heavy lifting for you. Today, we're diving into 10 books plus a juicy bonus that'll transform your wallet from oh no to oh yeah. And unlike those YouTube gurus selling you their get-rich-quick courses for $997, these books actually deliver. So grab your favorite money-making beverage and let's turn those dollars into cents. See what I did there? 1. Letters from a Stoic by Seneca. Want to know how a 2,000-year-old Roman can make you rich? Seneca's letters are like ancient wisdom bombs that'll explode your perspective on wealth. This isn't just about money, it's about living a fulfilling life with integrity. Think about it. How many billionaires are miserable? Looking at you, social media moguls. Seneca teaches you to build wealth while staying true to yourself. His practical advice on facing adversity is like having a philosophical shield against bad financial decisions. Plus, these letters are way more interesting than your bank statements. By the way, if you're finding this information helpful, then feel free to subscribe. It would really help me out with the algorithm. Okay, back to the video. 2. The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. When Oprah Winfrey says a book changed how she thinks and acts in every encounter, you listen. This isn't just another self-help book. It's a wealth-building mindset revolution disguised as ancient Toltec wisdom. Deepak Chopra calls it a roadmap to enlightenment and freedom. And let me tell you, financial freedom is part of that package. The four agreements are simple. Be impeccable with your word, like when you promise yourself to stick to a budget. Don't take things personally, especially when the stock market is having a bad day. Don't make assumptions about get-rich-quick schemes. And always do your best with your investments, career, and money management. Wayne Dyer and Dan Millman both praise this book for its clarity and wisdom. If it's good enough for these personal development giants, imagine what it can do for your wealth journey. I left a link to all these books in the description below. Be sure to check them out after watching this video. 3. 12 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson. With over 10 million copies sold, this international bestseller isn't just another self-help book. Peterson, a clinical psychologist who's become one of the world's most popular public thinkers, breaks down how to live a meaningful life. And trust me, a meaningful life is usually a profitable one. Here's the kicker. Peterson says happiness is a pointless goal. Wait, what? Instead, he argues we should search for meaning as a defense against life's inherent suffering. This includes financial suffering. Through vivid examples from his clinical practice and personal life, he shows how ancient wisdom applies to modern problems, including your money problems. C4. Mindset by Carol S. Dweck. Stanford University's finest brings you the book that critics call life-changing. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about rewiring your brain for success. Dweck spent decades researching why some people become wealthy while others stay stuck, and it all comes down to one thing: mindset. The book uses a perfect blend of research, data, and real-life stories to show how your outlook affects everything from your bank account to your career trajectory. Whether you're a manager, teacher, athlete, or parent, this book will transform how you think about potential, especially earning potential. 5. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Recently revised and updated for the 21st century, this book is like a financial time machine. Through parables set in ancient Babylon, you'll learn timeless wealth-building principles that work whether you're trading camels or cryptocurrencies. It's perfect for students of finance and business, anyone wanting to get back to financial planning basics, and people tired of complicated modern finance books. The best part, these secrets of the ages are really just common sense that somehow never became common knowledge. Mind-blowing. 6. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Ever wonder why some people with high salaries are broke while others with modest incomes build wealth? This award-winning author breaks down money management into 19 short stories that'll change how you think about finances forever. The big revelation: doing well with money isn't about what you know, it's about how you behave. Sorry, Wall Street. And guess what? Behavior is hard to teach, even to brilliant people. This book shows you how real people make real financial decisions at the dinner table, not on spreadsheets. It's like having a money therapist in your pocket. 7. I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Finally, a finance expert who doesn't tell you to give up lattes. This completely updated second edition is a 6-week program that actually works. With zero guilt and zero BS, Sethi shows you how to choose long-term investments, which bank accounts you really need, how to squeeze every benefit from your credit cards, and the exact words to negotiate a raise, worth the price right there. Plus, it comes with a PDF companion guide. Even Burton G. Malkiel, author of A Random Walk Down Wall Street, endorses this no-nonsense approach to building wealth. 8. How to Get Rich by Felix Dennis. Want to learn about getting rich from someone who actually did it? Meet Felix Dennis, the college dropout who built a publishing empire and created Maxim magazine. No snake oil here, just raw, honest lessons from someone who went from broke to billions. The best part, he reveals why a regular paycheck is like crack cocaine, his words, not mine. And why great ideas are vastly overrated. His golden rule, ownership isn't the important thing, it's the only thing. Now that's worth remembering. 9. Economics in One Lesson by Henry Hazlitt. Don't let the title scare you. This million-copy seller is actually a fascinating read. Even H.L. Mencken said Hazlitt was one of the few economists in history who could really write. The book explains why unemployment happens, what really causes inflation, how taxes affect the economy, and why recessions occur. It's so prescient that modern economists credit Hazlitt with predicting global economic issues 50 years in advance. If you want to understand money on a macro level, this is your book. 10. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker. Ever wonder why some people seem to attract money while others repel it? Eker reveals how your childhood programming about money is probably sabotaging your wealth-building efforts right now. This book is perfect for anyone interested in the psychological secrets of wealth, people who want long-term financial success, and anyone wondering why their current money strategies aren't working. Bonus: The Origin of Wealth by Eric D. Beinhocker. Think you understand economics? Think again. This mind-bending book shows why traditional economic theories are about as accurate as a weather forecast in chaos theory. Instead of seeing economics as rational consumers making logical choices, Beinhocker reveals it as a complex system of adaptation, like evolution. This book is perfect for students and scholars of economic science, anyone interested in economics, social sciences, or business, and business leaders, economists, and politicians who need a reality check. And there you have it, future financial champions. These 11 books cost less than a cheap date, but could lead to a lifetime of wealth. Remember, your mind is like a parachute. It only works when it's open. And these books are your skydiving lesson to financial freedom. Don't forget to demolish that like button, subscribe for more wealth-building wisdom, and hit that notification bell because, like compound interest, consistent knowledge builds up over time. Drop a comment telling me which book you're starting with and share your favorite money mindset tip. Until next time, keep investing in yourself. It's the only investment with guaranteed returns.